Did you know that videos featuring AI avatars can garner millions of views in just days? Yes, it's possible. In this video, we'll explore into the fascinating world of talking AI avatar shorts and show you step-by-step how to create one that could potentially go viral. You'll learn everything from selecting the right AI tools to finalizing your video for publishing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Let's get started. Talking AI avatar shorts are short, engaging videos that use artificial intelligence to create and animate characters, making it appear as though they are speaking. These digital avatars can mimic human expressions and are often used to deliver messages, stories, or educational content. The technology behind these avatars utilizes AI-powered tools that generate both the visual appearance and the accompanying voiceover, allowing for a wide range of customization from the character's looks to their speech patterns. This innovative way of storytelling captures the attention of viewers, making these videos highly shareable and capable of quickly going viral on social media platforms. Step 1. Preparing your AI avatar. 1. Choosing the right tool. Let's start by picking the best tool for making your AI avatar. Verbo Wondershare is a fantastic choice because it's packed with features that make avatar creation easy. It lets you choose characters, voices, and even helps you write your scripts. 2. Setting up the tool. Download an installation. First, go to the Verbo Wondershare website, download the software, and follow the simple steps to install it on your computer. Overview of interface and avatar options. Once installed, open the software to see a user-friendly interface. Here, you can browse through various avatars and settings. The interface is straightforward, making it easy to navigate and make selections. 3. Creating the avatar. Selecting the appropriate avatar and background. Now, pick an avatar that fits your video's theme. Verbo Wondershare offers a wide range of avatars from different categories. Whether you need a news reporter or a casual character, there's something for everyone. Then, choose a background that complements your avatar and the message of your short video. Customizing the avatar's appearance. Customize your avatar to make it unique. You can change things like hairstyle, clothing, and facial expressions. This personal touch will help your avatar connect better with the audience, making your video more engaging. Step 2. Scripting and voiceover. 1. Writing the script. Open Verbo Wondershare. Start by launching Verbo Wondershare on your computer. Access the script writing feature. Navigate to the script writing section within the software. Input your basic idea. Type a simple idea or theme of what you want your video to be about in the provided space. For example, tips for planting a garden. Generate script. Click on the Generate button. The AI will process your input and suggest a complete script. Refine your script. Read through the AI-generated script. It's likely that you'll need to make some adjustments to ensure it perfectly suits your video's tone and style. Edit the script directly in the software to make it more personal or to better fit your message. 2. Recording the voiceover. Choose your avatar's voice. Navigate to voice options. In the dashboard, go to the voice section where you can listen to different voice samples. Select the right voice. Choose a voice that aligns with the personality of your avatar and the tone of your message. You can select from different genders, accents, and vocal tones. Record the voiceover. Prepare to record. Once you've chosen the voice, prepare your script. Practice reading it out loud a few times to get comfortable. Review and adjust. Listen to your recording. If certain parts don't sound right, you can re-record them until you're satisfied with the entire voiceover. 3. Adjust voice settings. Pitch and tone. Utilize the tools within Verbo Wondershare to adjust the pitch and tone of the recorded voiceover. This will help in making the voice sound natural and dynamic, which is crucial for keeping the audience engaged. Syncing. Make sure the voiceover syncs perfectly with the avatar's lip movements for a realistic look and feel. Step 3. Enhancing the video. 1. Adding B-roll and stock footage. Finding the right B-roll. Open a stock footage website. Use websites like Pexels or Pixabay to find free stock videos. These platforms have a wide variety of clips that you can use without worrying about copyright issues. Search for relevant clips. Type keywords related to your main video content in the search bar. For example, if your avatar is talking about nature, search for forest, rain, or wildlife. Select high-quality clips. Choose clips that are clear and visually appealing to make your video look more professional. 2. Editing B-roll into your main video. Use a video editor. Open your video editing software. You can use free tools like DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express, which are user-friendly and powerful. Add B-roll clips, Import your selected B-roll clips into the editor. Drag and place them in your timeline where they best complement your main content. Trim for relevance. Shorten the clips to just the parts you need. This keeps the pacing tight and maintains viewer interest. 3. Applying transitions and effects. Using transitions. Open the Transitions library. In your video editing software, find the Transitions section. This is usually a tab or menu labeled Transitions. Pick effective transitions. Choose transitions that match the tone and pace of your video. For a smooth storytelling flow, use fades or wipes. For dynamic content, try quicker, more eye-catching transitions like zooms or spins. Apply transitions. Drag and drop your chosen transitions between clips. This helps the video flow better and keeps the audience engaged. 4. Adding special effects. Access Effects panel. Go to the Effects library in your editing software. Apply and adjust effects. Add effects to specific parts of your video where you want to draw attention or add emphasis. Adjust the intensity and timing of these effects to make sure they blend well with the overall content. Step 4. Finalizing and publishing. 1. Editing the final video. Quick editing. Tips. Trim and tighten. Go through your video one last time, trimming any excess footage or pauses to keep the pace engaging. Ensure every scene is crisp and contributes to your message. Check audio levels. Ensure that the voiceover and background music are balanced well. Neither should overpower the other. Most editing software provides audio meters to help you monitor levels. Adding captions. Use captioning tools. Tools like Camtasia, Adobe Premiere Pro offer built-in options to add captions easily. These tools can automatically generate captions, but you should always proofread them for accuracy. Sync captions. Make sure your captions are perfectly synced with the audio. Captions should appear precisely when the words are spoken. 2. Exporting the video. Choosing the right format. Select appropriate format. For most social media platforms, MP4 format with H.264 codec works best because it offers a good balance between quality and file size. Resolution settings. Opt for 1080p resolution as it is widely supported and provides clear quality without being too large to upload. 3. Export settings. Bitrate settings. Adjust the bitrate according to your platform's recommendations. A higher bitrate usually means better quality, but also a larger file size. Check frame rate. Stick to 30 frames per second, which is standard for social media videos and provides smooth playback. 4. Publishing tips. Optimizing for social media. Catchy titles. Create titles that are intriguing but clear, using keywords that potential viewers might search for. Effective descriptions. Write descriptions that briefly explain what the video is about, why it's worth watching, and include any relevant hashtags or links. SEO techniques. Utilize keywords relevant to your content in the title and description to improve your video's visibility in searches. And there you have it. You're now ready to create your own talking AI avatar video that could potentially reach millions. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and anyone else who might be interested in making their own viral content. Have any questions or want to share your experiences? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how your videos turned out. Thanks for watching, and remember, creativity is the key to viral success. Let's make something amazing together. See you in the next video.